Hi guys, today I have a review about this dinnerware MALACASA. They come very well packaged in a double box. On the ends it has Technopore for security and wow, they are beautiful. These dishes are white with a unique marble design on each plate. They are a set of 4 rectangular plates of 12 by 7 by 1 inch for serving personal food and also as a tray for parties. It has a shiny surface with anti-slip edges. It's scratch resistant, easy to clean, and keep for a long time. Now take a closer look at each dish. I'm going to set a table for my husband and myself. I have prepared 2 Peruvian recipes, and I'm going to show you a little bit of how they are served. The appetizer is papa a la huancaina. It's served on lettuce, boiled potato, and on top the huancaina sauce. And it's decorated with eggs and Peruvian olives that are purple. The main dish is called pasta pesto with steak, which is an Italian-Peruvian fusion. Now I will bring our Peruvian food to the table, which looks beautiful and gorgeous in my new MALACASA dinnerware. I want to tell you something important about this dinnerware. They don't contain lead. They are approved by FDA, so the material is not toxic. They also have 12 months warranty and customer service. And it's also microwave, oven safe, up to 464 Fahrenheit, dishwasher, and freezer safe. And now I'm gonna treat my dog. Her name is Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She's always with me in my videos. Bye-bye!